Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 30th of June 2011. International markets enjoyed another positive session last night as the austerity measure vote was passed by the Greek Parliament. The economic reforms got over the line by a small margin, despite continuing violent riots by protesters. Stock markets and index futures were trading higher around the world prior to the vote, but once the results came in, markets actually pulled back a touch. It seems investors had already priced in the fact that the vote would pass. The Greek Parliament now faces another battle as it attempts to implement the hugely unpopular austerity measures. This morning, the SPI futures are pointing to a 35-point gain on the open. The prices table shows green across the screen with gains again posted across all key equity and commodity markets. US markets closed with solid, if unspectacular gains, all up less than 1%. European markets were much stronger, with the FTSE up 1.5%. The German and French markets performed better still. Oil put on big gains for a second straight session, rising 2% to move back towards $95 a barrel. Gold rose $10 an ounce and copper surged almost 3%. The Aussie dollar and euro both gained ground against the US dollar. The Aussie was particularly strong overnight, up more than 1%, and is trading around $1.07 US this morning. Looking at the overnight action on the SPI, we see that the index traded back up towards the 45.50 resistance region. Heading into today's session, it will be interesting to see if the bulls can finally overcome this 45.50 hurdle.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.